Welcome to Training Minutes. I'm Jim Crawford, Assistant Fire Chief at Pittsburgh Bureau of Fire. In this episode, we're going to talk about the RIT deployment. There's several key issues we need to discuss about the RIT deployment. The team needs to be proactive, not reactive. In other words, you don't want to react when the mayday is called. Proactive RIT teams will do size-ups of the building, check for laddering, check for hazardous conditions, and much more. We need to talk about the search rope. All RIT teams should deploy a search rope. In this case, we have search rope made of Kevlar. Kevlar is very important because it has a high heat rating. Your search rope should also have some type of a snap or carabiner on the end. The reason for this is we need to secure this to some type of a substantial object on the outside so that as the RIT team deploys through the building, we do not pull it into the building, losing our way. One method of securing the search rope is to wrap the rope around a column or banister, snap the rope off to the carabiner. Another method of securing the search rope is to use a Halligan bar. If there's no substantial object to secure off to outside the building, we can pound the Halligan bar into the ground on the outside, securing our search rope directly to the Halligan bar. One key point to remember about search ropes is we should have some type of label on the outside near the carabiner informing everybody that this is in fact a search rope and should not be removed. I'm now going to talk about RIT positions. Using a 4-person team, your first person should be your irons or force of entry person. This person's job is to search forward of the team for holes in the floor or any unsafe conditions using his tools. Your second person should be your RIT officer, holding the TIC, the oil thermal imaging camera. This person will be able to watch forward of the front person and can simply turn around to watch the 2 people behind him. Your third person will be an equipment person. This person could be carrying your rescue bag or any other tools that you feel necessary to be taken into the building. Your fourth person will be either your search rope person or an additional equipment person. This person can either be carrying the search rope, deploying the rope, or you could use the first person or second person with the search rope, dumping the search rope. Now we're going to have the rescue team show you how to deploy into the building. Now the RIT is ready to deploy into the building. They force their door, make entry, searching the floor. As I mentioned, the first position is your force of entry search person. He should be sounding the floor, checking for hazards. The person should also chalk the door. As the team makes their way into the building, they should notify command of their entry. If you encounter stairs going down, you should always turn around, probing with your feet. Again, the search rope person will find a substantial object and secure the search rope. As the team advances through the building, they should be stopping occasionally, listening for the pass device from the downed firefighter. As the team enters the room, they're going to be going directly for the pass device because they're using a search rope. You want to probe with your feet first. Once you come in contact with the victim, then you can start your assessment process. The search rope person will hold the door. His job will be to watch for any advancing fire, monitor radio transmissions, and to also monitor the air supply of the team in the room. Remember, it's key that the RIT team is always ready to respond. I'm Jim Crawford. Thank you for watching Training Minutes.